Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of air traffic control. Ever wonder how planes don't just bump into each other in the sky? Well, let me introduce you to the secret guardians of the sky air traffic controllers. First off, think about this. At any given moment, there are about 9,700 planes in the sky. That's a lot. So how does air traffic control manage all of this? Well, it starts on the ground with pre-flight planning. Pilots file a flight plan with detailed information like their route, speed, and altitude. This helps controllers track every plane from takeoff to landing. Once the plane is ready for takeoff, ground control takes over. These controllers manage all movement on the ground, from taxiing to the runway to waiting in line for takeoff. They're like the ultimate traffic cops, making sure everything runs smoothly and safely. Then comes the tower control. When the plane is ready to take off, tower controllers give the green light. They monitor the sky around the airport, ensuring no planes are too close to each other. It's all about timing and precision. Now, once the plane is in the air, it's handed off to area control centers. These controllers manage large sections of airspace, guiding planes through cruising altitudes. They make sure planes maintain safe distances from each other. This is where the magic of radar and communication systems come into play. And finally, as the plane approaches its destination, it transitions to approach control. These controllers manage incoming and outgoing flights, ensuring safe landings and departures. They guide planes through the descent and landing phases. Again, it's all about maintaining safety and efficiency. So what tools do these amazing controllers use? Radar is a big one. It shows the position, altitude, and speed of every aircraft. And radio communication is crucial. Controllers and pilots talk constantly to ensure everyone's on the same page. But it's not just technology. Air traffic controllers undergo rigorous training. They need quick thinking, excellent communication skills, and the ability to handle high-stress situations. It's a demanding job, but incredibly rewarding. Now, why is this so important? Well, air traffic control is all about safety. With millions of flights each year, they ensure that every journey is smooth and secure. They're like unseen superheroes, working behind the scenes to keep the skies safe. So, the next time you're on a flight, remember the incredible work of air traffic controllers. They're the real guardians of the sky. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fascinating insights. See you next time.